Hi dears, welcome back. How are you? I hope that you are all fine. Okay dears, this is our previous class. Okay, before that we will play one game. Are you ready to play the game? Yes, what's this game means? You have to connect these two pictures. Okay, if you connect these two pictures means definitely you get one animal name. Can you guess what is the animal? See this first picture. The first picture is F. What is the phonic sound of F? F. Very good. What is the second picture? Yes, X. The you have to connect these two picture names. Yes, F, X. Fox. Very good. What? The answer is fox. Okay. See this next picture. Can you guess what's the animal name? Yes, the first one is deer. What? Very good, dear. Okay, dears, excellent. Okay, dears, the next one is what's this? Yes, the first picture is neck. What's this? It's not an animal, it's one reptile name. Can you guess? Yes, wow, excellent. What's this? Snake. Okay, dears, let us come to our lesson. Do you know who's she? Don't you know? Okay, I will share. Okay. Her name was Helen Adams Keller. Shortly, we have to say Helen Keller. Okay. She was born on June 27, 1880, and she was died in June 1, 1968. Why we learn about this girl means she was the first deaf and blind person. What is the deaf and blind person? What is mean by deaf? Do you know? Okay, I will say. Deaf means which are the peoples didn't able to hear. Which are the peoples didn't able to hear means that people is called deaf. Okay. Which are the peoples didn't see anything around our world means the people is called blind. Okay. The Helen Keller and the Helen Keller also deaf and blind person, but she got bachelor of arts and degree. Just think, if we didn't hear anything, okay, if we didn't hear, if I speak something, okay, if you didn't hear this one, then if you didn't see this mobile picture also means how can you study? Yes, whatever the ma'am teach you, you didn't able to hear. Then you didn't able to what ma'am wrote on the board. Like that, you didn't able to watch. How you studied? How can you studied? It's a major problem. But the Helen Keller don't bother about this disabilities. Okay, she concentrate her studies. So she only go to the college. She only first go to the college and she only got the degree. Okay. Okay, dears. Come to our lesson. Before that, see this picture. What's this picture indicate to us? Okay, see this picture. Do you feel how you feel? You feel happy or sad? Yes. If see this picture means definitely we feels happy because the smiley indicates the happy signs. I'm correct or not? Okay, dear. See this smiley. What is the smiley indicated to us? Yes, the smiley feels sad. It's just remember it. If the smileys, the two pictures didn't speak to us, didn't speak to us, but it also conveys some messages. If we see this picture means definitely we easily understood. Yes, the smiley feels sad. Okay, just think the what's this smiley indicate to us? Yes, just think your home, your elder brothers or sister broke your favorite toy. How do you feel? You feel very happy? No, we get more and more angry. So this picture also conveys some messages. It didn't speak anything, but it also convey some messages. Okay, dears, this is our lesson chapter 7, saying without speaking. Just now we are see this three smileys. The three smileys also didn't speak to us, but it also conveys some messages. This is our lesson. Okay, see this baby's picture. uh, the baby feels happy or sad? How the baby feels? Yes, definitely the baby feels happy. How we find out the baby feels happy? Yes, very good, because the baby was smiling. That's why we have to easily find out the baby was happy. Okay, see this picture. Was it happy? No. How can we find out the baby not happy like this? Yes, the baby was crying. So the baby feels hungry or some pain also. If the babies convey their feelings through a face expression, okay, the baby feels happy. That's why the baby was smiling. The baby not happy, the baby feels any uncomfortable soon. It's maybe hungry, or it's maybe any pains like that. The baby also convey some messages, convey their feelings like a face expression. Okay, see this children's, are these children's happy or sad? Yes, this they feels happy. Okay, they are the normal children's, ordinary children's like us. If we feel see these pictures, this also children's, but these children's are disabilities children's. Some of you don't hear anything. The people, the student is, the child is maybe deaf people. The students, some of you didn't able to speak. That people is called dumb peoples. Some of the children's don't hear, don't see around us. This people is called blind peoples. Okay, how they express their feelings. If we feel happy means we have to enjoy, we have to say yes, I feel very happy like that. If you feel hungry means you asked your mummy, my mummy, I feel hungry, so please give me some food for me. Please give some food for me. Like that we have to directly express our feeling through our words. But just think, yes, if we are hungry means suddenly we ask to our mummy. But if the dumb people, who's the dumb people? Dumb people means which are the peoples didn't able to speak, that is called dumb people. If the dumb peoples need the food means how they was express their feeling, can you guess? Yes, they using some action words. Okay, they using some action words. They are hungry. Some of the times we also doing some action words. Like we feel thirsty means we touch our throat. If we feel hungry means we touch our stomachs. Like that we have to indicates our, we have to share our emotions. But the dumb people's full and fully they depends the um, action words only. Most of the school also, if the dumb and deaf peoples want to study means, the some of the special schools also presented in our world. In the school, the and ma'am and parents also, uh, they got more experience how to control the deaf and dumb students. Like that, if the dumb students or deaf students want to study means they must learn the sign languages, sign words. Okay, active action words. If uh, if some of you want to say, some of the students want to say or want to write no means, they have to easily show this fingers, using the fingers. Okay, in this way they have to control the messages. Yes, we are the normal peoples. If we want to study the alphabets means, we have to first we should learn uh, uh, standing lines, sleeping lines, like that. Then we have to easily write the alphabets. But the dumb and deaf peoples want to study the alphabets means, they using the sign languages, action words. See, the each and every alphabets words letters has some special actions. Okay, using this way, the ma'am teach to the deaf and blind students. Okay, deaf and dumb students. Okay, okay, just think, um if the deaf and dumb peoples can easily see the sign languages, because the eyes also be very powerful. That's why they are easily find out the sign languages. If the blind peoples means, we close all of you close your eyes, can you able to see anything? No, it's the full of dark only. But how the blind peoples are studied? If the dumb peoples means, they are didn't able to speak, they easily see the pictures. Through this way, they are learning. Okay, but blind peoples means, they didn't see anything, they hear only. So how they was studied means, they are using the Braille method. Okay, what is the Braille method? Braille method means, they must studied using by touching the letters. Okay, touching the dots. The dots also indicates, the for example, if we write A means, the only one dot also presented there. If the students touch the only one dot means, they easily find out, yeah, it's A. Okay, if the students touch up and down two dots means, they hold and drag the dots, then easily find out, yes, this is B. Okay, then if they touch the left and right two dots means, yes, this is, they easily find out, yes, this is C, like that. Then each and every blind schools, the Braille kit also located and situated in the walls and floors also. The blind students easily touching the all dots letters, then they have easily find out the they easily find out the letters. Okay, this method is called Braille method. The first one is face expressions. The babies are want to convey some messages, convey their feeling means, they use the face expression. The next one is dumb and deaf peoples. Okay, the dumb and deaf peoples want to convey the messages, convey their feeling means, they use the action word. Okay, they use the action word and sign languages. They want to study it means, they must learn the sign languages. Okay, the next, the blind peoples want to study it means, they must learn the Braille method by touching method. Okay, by Braille method. Okay, dears, do you know what's this? Yes, this dance name is Bharatanatyam. It is our state dance also. Okay, each and every our school also conduct ECA section in Bharatanatyam class. Okay, did you see that each and every Bharatanatyam dance steps include some hand positions? Can you guess why? Yes, the dance also conveys some messages. Not only Bharatanatyam dance, the Kathakali dance also conveys some messages. For example, see this picture. This hand position, the hand pose is also called mudras. Okay, what? The hand pose also called mudras. In our book also has four mudras. The first mudra is called Pigeon Mudras. Okay, the first mudra is called Pigeon Mudra. The second one is Lotus Bud Mudra. Lotus Bud Mudra. The third one is Deer Mudra. Okay, the third one is Deer Mudra. The fourth one is Eagle or Fish Mudra. Okay, mudras. These four mudras also convey some messages. Okay, the next one is this is your book activity. You should take page number 48. Okay, this boy name was After. Okay, his favorite toy was fell down and broke. Okay, his favorite toy also fell down on the floor and it was broken also. How his face look like? Can you guess? He feels happy? No, he feel very sad because his favorite toy was broken. Then you have to draw sad face. Okay, you have to draw sad face with your own creativity. The next picture is this is Julie. Okay, her little sister was born just yesterday. She is very excited. How her face was look like? She feel very excited and happy. Okay, you should draw happy face. Okay, then the next one is this is Yamini's mother. While Yamini was taking out the bottle of pickle from the kitchen, it was fell down and it also broke. Then how her Yamini's mother face look like? She feel happy? No, she got more and more angry because he broke the pickle bottle. Okay, then you should draw angry face. The next one is this is Rehana. She is afraid of dogs while playing. Suddenly, a dog came in front of her. How her face was look like? Yes, she was started to cry. Yes, okay, yes, you should draw crying face or afraid face. Okay, the next one is do you know who's she? Sudha Chandran. Okay, do you know about Sudha Chandran? Yes. Before that, in our world, like ours, okay, we don't get this kind of any disabilities. Our eyes also being very power, then our hand and leg, then we have to able to walk, we are able to running, we are able to speak, we are able to hear. But in our world, some of the peoples, some of the childrens don't get don't able to walk, speak, sing, uh, see, like that problems. Okay, but they are all don't bother about their disabilities. Okay, like the Sudha Chandran is a classical dancer and TV actor also. Okay, the Sudha Chandran is classical dancer and uh, TV actors. When she was 17 years, that time she met one accident. For this accident, she lost her left leg, but still now she got a famous classical dancer. How? Because she get more self confidence. Okay, that's why only she achieve more and more. The same way, the man name is Grish Sharma. Okay, the Grish Sharma also lost a leg in train accident. Okay, see this boy leg, he have only one leg, but this great man become the badminton champion with his only one leg because of its own interest and self confidence. So the disability is doesn't matter. If we have own interest and self confidence means we also achieve more and more things. Okay dears, this is for your speaking practice. In your book page number 15, in this the four pictures are situated. You should connect these four pictures and make one own story with your own creativity. Okay, then you should send the video, not a audio. You should send the video in our group. If the best video, we should upload in our school website. Okay, the next one is, this is for your reading practice. This page also presented in your book page number 47. You should send the audio in our group. Okay, I have a sister. My sister cannot hear. I have a sister. My sister is a deaf. She is she is special. There are not many sisters like mine. My sister can play the piano. She likes to feel the deep, rumbling chords. But she will never be able to sing. She cannot hear the tune. She likes to leap, to tumble, to roll, to climb to top of the monkey's bar. Now my sister has started going to my school, although our mother still helps her lip read at home. The teacher and children do not understand every word she says, like sister or water or thumb. I wore my sunglasses yesterday. The frames were very large. The lenses are very black. My sister made me take them off when I spoke. What do my brown eyes say to her brown eyes? You should send the audio in our group. Okay dears, this is, if you have any doubt in this lesson, you have to chat with me and clarified it. Okay, thank you.